Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed guide on repairing the motor of the Conga 05849. In this tutorial, we will cover everything you need to know to get your motor back in working condition. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a multimeter for electrical testing, and a small brush for cleaning. Having a set of pliers handy can also be useful for gripping and maneuvering parts. Begin by unplugging the Conga 05849 from the power outlet to ensure safety. Once you've done that, locate the screws on the back panel of the device. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws carefully. Set them aside in a small container to avoid losing them. Next, gently lift the back panel off. You may notice some dust and debris inside. It's crucial to clean this out to ensure optimal performance. Use your small brush to remove any buildup around the motor area. If you're unsure about the cleanliness of your motor, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, let's examine the motor itself. Check for any visible signs of wear or damage. Use your multimeter to test the motor's electrical connections. If the readings are inconsistent, it may indicate a problem with the motor itself. If you find that your motor needs replacement, don't worry. Instead of struggling to transport the device, consider our pickup and delivery at your home service. This makes the process seamless, allowing you to focus on other tasks. Once you've assessed the motor, it's time to remove it from the housing. Look for screws that hold the motor in place. These are typically located at the base. Use your Phillips screwdriver again to carefully detach the motor from its mount. Be sure to keep track of all screws and components. After you've taken out the motor, inspect the wiring for any frays or breaks. If you detect any issues, you might need to replace the wiring as well. If you're not comfortable doing this, remember, we can provide a quote before repair, giving you peace of mind about costs involved. Now, let's talk about reassembly. If you've replaced the motor or made any repairs, carefully place the new or repaired motor back into the housing. Align it properly and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tight, but avoid over-tightening as this can cause damage. Once the motor is secured, replace the back panel of the Conga 05849. Again, use the Phillips screwdriver to fasten all screws securely. Ensure that there are no gaps or loose areas, as this can affect the performance. Finally, plug in your device and perform a test run. Observe if the motor operates smoothly without any unusual noises. If everything seems to be working well, congrats! You've successfully repaired your motor. If you experience any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for our services, or we ensure no calls, no travel, just a straightforward solution for your appliance needs. Thank you for following this comprehensive tutorial. Now, you're equipped with the knowledge to tackle motor repairs on your Conga 05849 with confidence. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.